You think the Sunday Scaries is a mood. It's not. It's a biological system failure. Every Sunday night, your prefrontal cortex enters a state of panic because it cannot predict the chaos of Monday morning. You are essentially burning through your Monday focus before you have even finished your Sunday dinner. You are losing 3 hours of peak performance before you even wake up. Today, we are ending that. We're installing the preload protocol. This is not a motivational speech. It is a structural fix for your week. Your brain is a prediction machine. It consumes 20% of your body's energy to predict what is coming next so it can keep you safe. On Sunday night, if you have not mapped out your Monday, your brain assumes the worst. It enters an anxiety loop. It is trying to solve problems that have not yet happened. This is why you feel tired on Sunday, even if you did nothing all day. Your CPU is redlining because it has 50 tabs of what if open in the background. We're going to close those tabs. To extend this means your cognitive resources are fragmented. We must reclaim that bandwidth. The preload protocol is not a suggestion. It is an operational imperative. Through precise forward planning, we eliminate the uncertainty and thereby conserve energy. The efficiency gains are non-negotiable. Step 1. The RAM dump. Take a physical piece of paper, not a phone app. Your phone is a distraction device. Write down every pending task, every open loop, and every deadline. We're externalizing your working memory. Once it is on paper, your brain no longer needs to spend energy holding that information. It can finally shift to processing mode. To extend, this action frees up mental RAM. You will notice an immediate increase in clarity. By removing the psychological burden of recall, you are essentially rebooting your focus. Do not underestimate the necessity of this physical transfer. You cannot achieve this efficiency within the digital space. Step 2 is all about that first hour of your Monday. You really need to pinpoint the one thing that's going to make the biggest difference, that 10% needle mover, and then lock it in for that first 60 minutes. Seriously, don't let emails or planning creep in there. That's just reacting, and what you need is proactive drive. Think about it this way. By making that call now, you're getting rid of that Monday morning grogginess and decision fatigue. You start strong, setting the tone for the rest of the week, instead of feeling like you're constantly playing catch-up. So step 3 is what we call the NSDR seal. It's just 10 minutes. No lights, no screens, no outside noise. Non-sleep deep rest. Think of it as a hard reset for your nervous system. It brings your cortisol levels back down and just tells your body, hey, I've got this. You're taking control of the week instead of just letting it overwhelm you. So if you stick to these 3 steps, Monday morning isn't a startup phase anymore. You don't need to grope around trying to find your rhythm because everything was decided on Sunday night. You basically wake up with the map already drawn. You completely bypass that friction, that mental fog, and the temptation to procrastinate. Honestly, you're already 2 hours ahead of everyone else before they've even checked their inboxes. It's like starting the race halfway through. This is the crucial difference between someone who's just reacting to what comes their way and someone who's actively creating their own path. This isn't just a suggestion I'm giving you. This is a performance requirement. If you want to stop letting your week dictate your life and actually start engineering your results, then you honestly need the whole manual. I'm documenting every single performance protocol right here in this project. Subscribe to the channel to join the database. The system is live. Stay activated.